Hi children, welcome back to today's session. We have been discussing exercise part of the lesson called desert animals. In today's session, I am here to discuss last part of the exercise, that is B section. Okay, let us begin to discuss. To solve this exercise. Okay, I would like to read out the question. Look at these sentences. First one, animals cannot survive for long without water. Next sentence, so desert animals have to find different ways of coping. Here they have given two sentences for examples. What we have to do, let us read out the instruction what they have given. The first sentence says what cannot happen or be done. The second tells us what must, therefore, be done, what it is necessary to do. Complete these sentences using cannot and have to or has to. Dear students, this is very easy to the solve uh, the problems. What we have to do, we have to fill up appropriate cannot and have to according to the sentences. Okay, did you get what we have to do? Once again I will tell you. We have to fill up cannot and have to or has to where it is necessary. Okay, did you get? I hope you have understood what I am telling. Let us know the sentences one by one. First one, you dash reach the island by land or air. You dash go by boat. Here, what you have to fill up? You cannot. You have to fill up here cannot. According to their instruction, we have to fill up appropriate words in the emptiness. Okay, in the space, so that you have to fill up here. You cannot reach the island. Here s is silent, that you have to understand. You should not read like Iceland, that is wrong pronunciation of this word. You have to pronounce it as island. You cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go. Here you have to fill up how to. You have to go by boat. So this is the correct one. Okay. Let us move on to the next one. We dash see bacteria with our eyes. We dash look at them through a microscope. What we have to fill up here? We cannot see bacteria with our eyes. Here you have to fill up how to. We have to look at them through a microscope. Did you get? Okay, let us move on to the next one. He does have a new bicycle now. He does wait till next year. Here, he cannot have a new bicycle now. He cannot have a new bicycle now. Next, he has to wait till next year. Here you have to fill up has to. Has to. Okay. Third person singular pronouns. Before the third person singular pronouns, you have to use has to. Okay, first person pronoun. After first person singular, you have to write. You have to use have to. That you have to understand in your mind. Okay, so that here you have to fill up has. He cannot have a new bicycle now. he has to wait till next year. Did you get? Okay, next one. Old people often dash hear very well. They dash use a hearing aid. What you have to fill up here? Old people often cannot. You have to fill up here. Cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. This is first person plural. So here you have to use have to. They have to use a hearing aid. Did you get? Okay, next one. Road users dash do what they wish. They dash follow the traffic rules. What you have to fill up here? Let me tell. Road users cannot do what they wish. They have to follow the traffic rules. So this you have to fill up. Let us know the next one. She dash accept this decision. She dash question it. She cannot accept this decision. You have to fill up here. She cannot accept this decision. She has to question it. You have to fill up here. Has to. She has to question it. Okay. Okay. Next one we have a seventh one. That is last one. You dash believe everything you hear. You dash use your own judgment. Here what you have to fill up? You cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. Did you get? You cannot believe everything. Here you have to fill up cannot. You cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. Okay. So this is about today's class. Dear students, I hope you have understood these problems. In today's session, we have completed the lesson called the desert animals and its exercise part. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.